take a look at this problem. We got 125 x to the third minus y to the third. Well, GCF, there isn't any. Groupings, 4 more terms, that doesn't fit. PSD and key number both 3 terms, that doesn't fit. Dots, difference 2 squares, 2 terms in my string, that fits. But nothing times itself gives you 125, so it fails. So I start going down through my list, and the next one is difference 2 cubes, which also says 2 terms with a minus strand. But in that case, we're going to try to write it as something to the third power minus something else to the third power. You take a look at each individual piece, and you ask yourself what times itself 3 times gives you that. For example, 125 is 5 times 5 times 5. The x to the third is x times x times x. And the y to the third is y times y times y. So I'm going to label what's inside the first set of parentheses as F for first, and I'll label what's inside the last set of parentheses as L for last. This is the formula for the difference of 2 cubes. We got F minus L times F squared plus FL plus L squared. Now everywhere I have an F in my formula, I'll plug in 5x, and everywhere I have an L, I'll plug in y. So we got 5x minus y, and then we got 5x squared plus 5x times y plus y squared. And then we do a little bit of simplifying. 5x squared, 5x times 5x is 25x squared, plus 5x times y is 5xy, and y to the second power just gives us our y squared. And that would be our answer.